Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here, after it loads, if we open it up for the first time, then at the top left corner we can select the language in which we want to use the app, and then we can either tap on sign up for Vinted if we want a new account, or we can tap on I already have an account and sign in for the in the account that we already have. So now let's tap on sign up for Vinted, then we can tap on continue with Google, and then we can just select the email address that we want to use. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.